Welcome SATs Geniuses to question number 7. And this one's all about pouring dark paint into a container. And it says, in litres, how much paint is in the container? Well, the problem we've got here is it is dark paint. And you can see it's so dark that it's covering the numbers up on the scale down the side of the container. So we can't actually see the numbers. But if we're a little bit smart, we can figure it out. So if this one here is 5 and this one is 4, then halfway between that, 4 and 5, would be 4.5. And then if we keep going down again, if this is 3, halfway between 3 and 4 would be 3.5. Now, as you can see, to get from 5 down to 4.5, it goes across 2 little gaps. So 5 down to 4.5 is 2 gaps, 4.5 down to 4 is another 2 gaps, 4 down to 3.5 is another 2 gaps, 3.5 down to 3 is another 2 gaps. So then we go down another 2 gaps. So every time we go down 2 gaps, we're going down a half. So we basically need to go down half a litre from 3. So obviously if you go down a litre from 3, you'd be on 2.5. So this arrow here must be level with 2.5. And that is the answer that we're looking for, because that's the level at which the paint has reached. So your final answer to that question is 2.5 litres. Another way of looking at it is you could say that between every whole litre there is 4 gaps. So if you went 4 gaps down from 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, that would be the next whole litre, which would be 2 litres. But obviously you can see that the 2 litres is well below the height of the paint. So if 2 litres is 4 gaps below 3, then 2 gaps below 3 must be 2.5, which, whichever way you look at it, still gets you the same answer of 2.5 litres.